Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Middle English period, which is also known as Anglo-Norman period. Anglo-Norman period was started with Norman conquest in 1066 AD. The Normans were originally a hardy race of sea rovers inhabiting Scandinavia. In the 10th century, they conquered a part of northern France, which is still called Normandy, and rapidly adopted French civilization and the French language. Their conquest of Anglo-Saxon England under William, who was Duke of Normandy, began with the Battle of Hastings in 1066, and they conquered England by defeating the Anglo-Saxon king Harold II. Here, I also want to tell you that the Normans not only brought soldiers, artisans and traders with them, but they also brought scholars to revive knowledge. The literature which they brought to England is remarkable for its bright romantic tales of love and adventure, in contrast with the strength and soberness of Anglo-Saxon poetry. The Anglo-Saxon speech simplified itself by dropping most of its Teutonic inflections, absorbed eventually a large part of French vocabulary, and became our English language. English literature is also a combination of French and Saxon elements. Now we will discuss the main effects of Norman conquest. The three chief effects of conquest were the bringing of Roman civilization to England. The Normans brought Roman civilization to England with them. Second is the growth of nationality, and the third one is the new language and literature which were proclaimed in Chaucer. So, in this period, English poetry vanished and the romances that talked of heroes became popular. They dealt with the stories of King Arthur, the War of Troy, and mythical doings of Alexander the Great. In this period, upper class people spoke French and ordinary people spoke Old English. Universities were also established during the Middle English period. So, the Oxford University was established during 12th century and Cambridge University was established in the 13th century. The poets of Anglo-Norman period are Geoffrey of Monmouth, Wace, and Lemon, and the popular works of Anglo-Norman period are Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, Owl and the Nightingale. So students, within the Middle English period, we have the age of Chaucer also, and we will continue the age of Chaucer in the next video.